Now, if you're like me and passionate about food, or you just want to make life a little bit easier for yourself in the kitchen, this is the place to come. I am at the incredible Kitchen Warehouse store here in Artarmon, New South Wales, and I can't wait to go check it out. Well, I'm here with Joanne Pabst. Jo, thank you for having us. I am blown away by the range and the size of the store here. What do you think it is people fall in love with when they come to a Kitchen Warehouse?
I know, isn't the store amazing?
Yeah.
There is so much here. Well, what I really love is the staff. Like, you come in here, they're so educated and passionate about food and cooking and the products. We've got a fantastic website and you can click and collect and also have delivery, so it makes shopping really simple.
How good. And you've prepared some stuff to show me today. I can't wait.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Now, Jo, Mother's Day just around the corner. What do you think are some must-have items for Mum this year?
Well, I think any mum would love something from the SMEG range.
Yep.
Beautiful on the countertop. A Le Creuset pot.
Yeah, perfect for slow cooking.
Yes,
Yep.
delicious. And my favourite this year is one of our duo glasses. Great for coffee in the morning and wine in the evening.
Nice. You don't want to get those two mixed up though, Jo.
No.
Now, what else can we do to make Mum's Day a little bit more special?
What I love the most is something that's thoughtful, heartfelt. My kids cooking in the kitchen, making me brunch, and then the chatter that goes on afterwards at
Yep.
the table. It's beautiful.
And you've got the perfect breakfast for Mother's Day that we can dish up for Mum?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Oh, wow, Jo, look at this spread. You have been busy. Now, can you give us some tips on making the perfect Mother's Day breakfast board?
So it all starts with a beautiful piece of servingware, which we've got plenty to choose from in here. And then it's about preparation. The night before, make all the batters, the birch muesli, and then on the day, turn the pans on, pop the waffle machine on, preheat, and get going. Get the kids to help, set the table, and serve it up.
Sounds good. Now, what about appliances? You mentioned the waffle machine. What about appliances that can make it a little bit extra special?
Yep, so these waffles were whipped up with the Sunbeam waffle machine. So easy.
Pour it in. Look at that.
Yep.
How good.
The crepe pan always comes in handy to make some beautiful crepes. And then, of course, there's the duo glasses I mentioned earlier for the coffee.
How good.
And the
Now,
juice.
as hard as it is to leave this incredible spread you've got here, I do hear you've knocked up another station that's right up my alley.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Great. Now, Jo, all mums deserve to have a bit of fun, whether it's with their friends or their family. What are the essentials for setting up a home bar?
So it's best to start with some beautiful glasses like these Kennedy gin glasses and a lovely cocktail toolkit with the measures and some lovely garnishes pre-prepared before your guests arrived. And also what's really handy is one of these dispensers which you can multiply the recipes on cocktails, which means you're all set and ready to go. Add the fizzy stuff and the ice just before your guests arrive and you're sorted.
Amazing. And what have you got in this dispenser?
Well, it's actually the cocktail. It comes from the magazine that's out at the moment.
Beautiful. Free magazine in store?
Sure is.
Oh, how good. Well, thank you so much for having us today, Jo.
No worries.
You can check out all of what you've seen today, plus get some Mother's Day inspiration at kitchenwarehouse.com.au or pop in to one of their many fabulous stores.